Hey, my name is Josh Bessel, and yesterday I spoke to Sammy in the call center. She gave me this email so I could send this video to show you guys 3 things you could do to impact your business today. You're most likely sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, you're lucky because oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are just too busy running their business to learn how the internet could benefit them in the company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. Well, I have found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they could do to impact their business for free has caused great relationships and people saying, hey Josh, I like what you do. Can you please keep doing this for me? So if by the end of this video, if you liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we could chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is content. When I'm talking about content, I'm talking about the literal words on your page, and not just the amount of words, but what keywords you're using. And so Google likes to see around 1,500 words on the home page, okay? And when I plugged your content into this word counter, you came up at 425. The reason that Google likes to see that many keywords, or that much content, is because they send out robots. And these robots, they crawl and they look for these keywords in the content. And the more content you have on your page, the more the robots crawl. Now, when I'm talking about keywords, I'm going to bring this up. These are the keywords you're ranking for on HomeCraftGutterProtection.com. HomeCraft Gutters, you rank number 1, 0 search volume. Okay, that means nobody's searching HomeCraft Gutters in Google. Okay, HomeCraft. You're ranked number 3, 8,100 searches. So if all these people that search HomeCraft are looking for gutters, that's awesome. All right. But now I'm going to take a look over your competition. This is Brothers Gutters. Brothers Gutters is your competition basically because when you type in gutter installation Jacksonville, Florida, they are the first organic company website to pop up. You have your ads in your map pack, and we'll get to that in a second. But they are the first organic website to pop up. Yelp's there, but they're a directory. And their word counter, they only have 234 words. But this is the difference, okay? When I plug them into their Keywords Everywhere is a great tool, by the way. It runs you like $10 for 100,000 credits. Will get you by a couple of months. Highly recommend. You can see all the keywords they're ranking for in their content. Gutters Jacksonville, Florida, they're ranked number 1, 480 people. So 480 people are searching per month Gutters Jacksonville, Florida, and they're automatically getting referred to Brothers Gutters because they're ranked number 1 for this keyword. Okay, and I can go through all of these and show you, but I'm sure you could just see this on your screen. It's quite prominent that you have these keywords in there to get some more eyes on you. The second thing I want to talk to you is just how this front page is laid out in Google, okay? So when we type in gutter installation Jacksonville, Florida, we see the ads. And ads are good, okay? But research says that the ads are only semi-effective, and honestly, they could become a huge money pit if they're not utilized correctly. The second thing we see is the Google Map Pack, GMB, Google My Business, all right? And you're number 1, so that's awesome. But how do you stay number 1? Okay, so I plugged you into this little local citation finder. It's called Whitespark, WHITESPARK.ca. It runs you roughly 30 to 70 bucks a month depending on your plan, but it shows you how many citations you have. Citations is a huge way of how people crawl up the map pack. Okay, you have 6, and that's not bad because you're on the front. So when I take a look at your competition here, they have 19 and they're actually below you. I would definitely optimize on getting some more citations, probably roughly 200 to 300 of them, so you could be untouched on Google Map Pack, okay? The last thing I want to talk to you about is backlinks and link juice, okay? This link juice works like this. For example, LinkedIn is pointing to your site, therefore LinkedIn is acting like link juice, which gives your site more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. When I look at your Ahrefs is a great SEO tool. I use it like every day because, well, I'm a digital marketer, but it runs around 180 bucks a month, and it utilizes organic keywords and backlinks, link juice, referring domains. Very helpful. It says that you have no data, so I can only assume that you don't have any backlinks or link juice referring back to your Jacksonville website location, okay? When I go to Brothers Gutters Ahrefs over here, they have 21 referring domains and 43 backlinks. And what this means is they have all these sites are linking back to them. But here's where I go back to when I say it's more effective when relative sites are linking back at you. For example, if you have a LinkedIn linking back at you. That would be more effective than a Pizza Hut linking back at you, because you sling gutter installations, you don't sling pizzas, all right? So that's what I mean by relative sites. So definitely Exponise on your backlinks and your referring domains. And that was pretty much all the 3 things I want to go over with you today. So just to go back over, I'm going to go back to content. Content, you really want to have some more keywords and more content. So Exponise about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. Try to get some of these words. And then the second thing was citations. Definitely want to Exponise on citations. You're doing good being at the front, being at the top, because you have a lot of reviews and you have a lot of pictures linked to your Google My Business. But definitely that can always change. So definitely get some citations in there. The third thing was link juice. All right, you need more relevant sites linking back at you guys to show Google you are the authority. All right, so I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provided you today, and you could do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 904-901-6020. Once again, my name is Josh, and my number is 904-901-6020. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a good day.